12 p.m. right now in London, UK. Welcome back to my channel. This is Riddhi Datta. So right now I'm going to the Google's office. So Google in London has a couple of offices. I'm going to the best office, that is in King Square, right in central London. So I will show you around it. We got off at the King's Cross station and very soon I'm going to reach the Google office and show you around. There you go. That's the building. Just had my lunch and currently I'm sitting in the silent area, so there's a nice view over here. Let me show you the people around me. It's very silent. It's like a library. People just come here, you know, if they get bored from their work desk and they want to concentrate a bit, and then they come over here. But what I figured out is there's not much noise and stuff even in the work areas as compared to the other places that I've seen. People are very silent, and maybe it has to got to do with the international culture. So currently I'm sitting in the cafeteria. So Google London has around 4 cafeterias, so we are sitting in the first floor cafeteria. So I already had my lunch in the 8th floor cafeteria. I couldn't get a lot of pictures and clips over there because it was very crowded. So my parents are here now and they are having the lunch in the first floor cafeteria because the visitors are only allowed in this cafeteria. So it's around 2:30. So the lunch is from 12:30 to 2:30, which is like the same timings. All Google offices, even in Pune and Bangalore in India, we have the same lunch timings. So dinner is there. It's from 6:30 to 8. But I'm not sure whether I would be there till dinner. And it's such a big office and I don't work at this office, right? I have to also figure out things and then show you. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. So bye from Google London. I couldn't remake a lot of videos, but yeah, I think I was able to show you most of it. Signing off for today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I will see you in some other video. Till then, stay safe, goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such content.